Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're working on your resume in Canva and you want to add a professional photo, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to insert your photo perfectly onto your Canva resume, whether you already have one open or you're starting fresh. Adding a photo can make your resume stand out, and I'll walk you through each step so you can do this with confidence, even if you've never used Canva before. Alright, let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have your resume open in Canva. If you already have it up, great, you're one step ahead. Now on the left side of the Canva workspace, you'll notice a panel with different tabs. Look for the one that says Uploads. This is where Canva stores any images or files you've brought in from your computer or phone. If you see your photo here already, you're good to go. But if you haven't uploaded your photo yet, here's what you need to do. Simply click on the purple Upload Files button right at the top of the panel. Take a moment to locate your photo on your device. It could be in your Pictures folder, your desktop, or wherever you keep your headshots. Once you select your photo, Canva will start uploading it. Sometimes it can take a few seconds, especially if it's a high-resolution image. Don't worry if it's not instant, just give it a moment to finish. Now, once you see your photo in the Upload section, it's time to get it onto your resume. If your resume design already has a photo frame waiting for you, usually a square or circular outline where a photo should go, it's super easy. Just click and hold your photo from the Uploads panel, then drag it straight onto the frame in your resume. Let go and Canva will snap the photo neatly inside the frame, cropping it perfectly to fit. This is such a helpful feature because it instantly makes your resume look polished and professional. But what if your resume template doesn't come with a photo frame yet? No stress, Canva makes it easy to add one yourself. Head over to the left panel again, but this time click on Elements. Think of elements like a toolbox full of shapes, lines, icons, and special features that can really elevate your designs. In the search bar at the top of the Elements tab, type in Frame. You'll see several options pop up, but for resumes, square or circle frames are the most common because they give your photo a clean, modern look that fits well with most layouts. Click on the frame you want, then drag and drop it onto your resume canvas right where you want your photo to appear. You might need to adjust the size of the frame so it sits nicely in your header or wherever you want it. Just click the corners and drag to resize. This part can take a few tweaks as you position it just right, so don't worry if it takes a couple of tries to get the size and placement perfect. When you're happy with your frame, go back to your upload and drag your photo right into it, just like before. Canva will automatically crop the photo to the shape of the frame, so you don't have to fuss about trimming or resizing your image manually. If you want to adjust how your face is centered, just double-click on the photo inside the frame and you can move it around a bit until it looks just right. And that's really all there is to it. You've just added a polished, professional-looking photo to your Canva resume. It's a small detail, but it really can help your application stand out. Just remember to use a clear, friendly, and professional image. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give the video a like. Drop a comment if you have any questions or if there's another Canva trick you want to learn next. And of course, subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials. Thanks for watching and best of luck on your resume.